the idea behind the sequence of the intervals, that in a way we play a sort of melody. And in a melody there lives a thought. Something can recognize itself in the melody. Yes, that's my music. And in a way, the vegetative nervous system, yeah, we have this mood, yeah, this caring mood for everything, yeah, opening up, yeah. And then we have this quality of surfing, and we have the quality that things change, yeah. You have all the time one process has to change into the other. And the seventh is everything has to be connected with each other. And then we have this, but it has to have this meaning of creating this mood. Yeah? So, yeah, and the carrying interval is the third. The third is the general mood in this system. It must be, yeah, it must feel fine. Yeah, I don't want to have stomach ache when I have to study something. I never want to have stomach ache, and this has to be in proportion with this, and we perceive everything and just we like everything, and just by liking it things heal. It's connected with, or we prepare things consciously, what has to be brought, yeah, all this, yeah. Now, informations, not just information, I missed the words, I'm sorry. And then the other quality, processes have to take themselves, reduce that others can grow. I have to diminish that others can grow. Yeah, all these processes take place there, and the nerves just interconnect everything. And in this solemnity in the end, it's not just solemnity, but all this, what has been happening before, should be contained in this mood we create in the end. It's not just a solemnity, it's just and all together, in a way, one pulls there, the other there, 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 and they do it in proportions and intervals, that the total quality is this. Because it's actually the lower system, the purpose of the lower system, to carry our ego, to let us become reborn from within. Not from the head where we know what we should do, but from within where we know how we do it. Because it's so easy, if in a way, yeah? It's not easy, but this, if things come from within, they don't cost energy. If you do it because you think you do it, it's exhaustive. If you do it from within, the circle of life can take place, because it's really from me. I also can receive what's coming back. Okay, so far, and for this reason, Ilse and I were looking for what melody, what intervals, yeah, express the life of the system most, in order to, and that's the aim, the system feels a little bit understood. And you know already, if you feel a little bit understood by your partner, that's great. That's already a lot.